We are witnessing a masculinity meltdown, not because men are weak, but because they're being weakened. Porn is the new pacifier. Masturbation is the new escape. And ED, that's the body screaming that it's had enough. This isn't alpha. This isn't freedom. This is failure by design. You're caught in a loop, and it's engineered that way. It works like this: watch porn, masturbate, feel stimulated, desensitize your brain. Now you can't get hard. Back to watching porn, back to masturbation. Can't have a sexual experience with your real life partner. Repeat. A 2016 study entitled "Is Internet Pornography Causing Sexual Dysfunction?" revealed 3 important things. Number 1, internet porn significantly increased the rates of ED in young men. Number 2, erectile dysfunction is not common in non-porn users, opposed to those who watch porn. Number 3, erectile function improved when those stopped watching porn without any pharmaceutical intervention. It's not just bad habits, it's biochemical enslavement. There's 2 extremes, and they're both toxic. On the one hand, we have simping, paying for attention, chasing validation, outsourcing intimacy. On the other hand, we have sneakoism, screaming alpha while still chasing that same digital stimulation loop. Neither side teaches men to regulate their dopamine, to build real discipline, and to form healthy relationships. Simping and shouting about masculinity from a ring light, these are 2 sides of the same broken mirror. ED isn't the root problem, it's the symptom. This isn't about blood flow. It's about a disconnection between your brain, your body, and your emotional system. And here's the real world consequences. Men who can't date, can't feel, can't lead, all because they can't connect. It's not too late, but the clock is ticking. You cannot keep numbing yourself and expect to feel powerful. Porn isn't harmless. Masturbation, not neutral. And ED, it's not just bad luck. Here's the challenge for you: 30 days of no porn, no simping, no noise, just reality and rebuilding. If you're pissed off, good. That makes 2 of us, and it means it struck a nerve. If it woke you up, even better. Subscribe, share this with someone who's stuck in the loop, and let's rebuild together. Click the video on the screen now. You'll be shocked to find what else we uncover. It's time to rewire your mind over PIED. Let's go.